So today is 30th of June 2023, end of the day, end of the week, and end of the month. What a blessing Friday, guys. We had an amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys on Aussie dollar CAD. So pretty straightforward. If you look at here in 4 hour, this is what explained my trader. We are looking this breakout opportunity, and we have just breakout is performed, and my trader are still enjoying the short trade here. Sort of like if you look at here, we have early sign of head and shoulder pattern. That was a beautiful short trade just right now. Let me share with you guys how I analyze. Even if you look at the trading view, this is what we do. We explain to trader in detail all the price structure, and we were expecting this breakout, so we had this beautiful short trade here. You can see this is the analysis I did. We look at the previous price action, and that's what I explained with the live price action. Price develop a false breakout. So if the price is going to break on this one, and if the price come back and develop a pullback, because we can see a bearishness on dollar, so pullback. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, then keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, based on this analysis, price nicely broken. After the breakout, price retest, give us the confirmation, and beautiful short trade here. The first target hit, and that's what I explained my trader. It's time to enjoy some profit. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy this analysis. You can enjoy this analysis more if you watch it live in real time with the live audio commentary support. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, have a nice evening, and have a nice weekend, guys. See you until next time. All the best.